So Microsoft has released its own image creator and it's built into Bing.com. Today in this video, we'll go over on how it works. But first of all, let's go to Google or any other search engine that you use. At first, Edge was recommended as Edge is the Microsoft recommended browser, making it the first and only browser with an integrated AI-powered image generator. But it also works on Google as well as Opera, so you can use any one of them. Just go to the search bar and search for Bing AI Image Generator. Go to the first site that you see right here, click on it, and after that, make sure that you log in with your Microsoft account right here. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then make sure you create one and then click on Join and Create. Now, this Bing AI Image Generator works on the basis of DAL-E. Now, DAL-E is an AI system that can generate images in multiple styles, including photorealistic imagery, paintings, and even emojis. You can see right here that it is powered by DAL-E 3. Now, DAL-E 3 is a model of DAL-E. Now, how this works, you can see plenty of creations right here, the images so created by Bing AI Image Generator with the prompts as shown right here. You can just go over the images and you can see the prompts that were used in order to create those images. Now, in order to see how it works, you can just simply go to the search bar right here and give the prompts to Bing AI Image Generator. Now, the ideal template for prompts is to include adjective plus noun plus verb plus style. Now, for example, I search in the search bar for a delicious breakfast of fluffy pancakes. These are just the prompts that you can pass. The more descriptive you are, the more detailed images are created. Now, in order to download this image right here, simply click on download, and after that, it will be downloaded on your computer. Now, if you click on surprise me right here, then what Bing AI Image Generator will do is that it will pass a random prompt created by itself, which you can search for. So, for example, here I clicked surprise me, and this is the prompt given by the Bing AI Image Generator itself. If you click on create right here, then you can see right here that 4 images are created on the basis of the prompt that was passed by Bing AI Image Generator itself when I clicked on surprise me button right here. In this section, at the right side of the screen, you can see the recents. Now this is pretty cool, but then comes restriction. Now you see before that this right here, the hearts or the boosts, whatever you say, this was 14 and now it decreased to 13, which means that boosts run out, which means that if you run out of these boosts, then image generation may take a little bit longer than it usually does. Now, for example, if I have 0 boosts right here, then image generation is going to take a little bit longer, but you can also redeem 5 boosts with 500 reward points. Now, reward points are right here, which increases on basis of how much you use the Bing browser. And also, boosts are refreshed weekly. Now, when I logged in, I just had 15 boosts. And if I lose all of these boosts, then after a week, you'll get them refilled again. Well, just make sure that you utilize the boosts on what you need the most, what sort of image you want to create, and explore your imagination. Now, you can see right here that this image generator is just a preview, which means that the completed version is yet to come. So get creative with Bing AI Image Generator. Thank you very much.